action, like they say in the movies.
Okay, so my name is Stephanie Reich. I'm a professor of physics in Berlin. I just gave a presentation at the Heteronanocarb conference that was about tailoring the optical properties of carbon nanotubes. So I've been interested for many years in using carbon nanotubes for optical applications. So for example, to change the way in which they emit light or to switch them on and off and these kind of things. And for that we attach molecules to carbon tubes. And I've not been the only one doing that, but one of the challenges in the field is that whenever people managed to produce such devices, they found out that they were unstable. So you could not use them for a very long time. On the other hand, there were other people who managed to build very stable devices, but during that time, they destroyed the tube, so in the end, the device did not function. So what I set out to do together with colleagues in the chemistry department at my university was to find a new way to attach molecules to carbon nanotubes so that we would have the advantages of both approaches, so that we had a stable system that was able to function in the way that we wanted. And we actually succeeded in doing that. And we built a platform that you can now use to add different molecules, different molecular functions to carbon nanotubes. And my presentation was first about this new way of building system and then to really harvest now the new potentials that we have. So I presented, for example, carbon nanotubes that you can switch on and off by shining UV light onto them. And that's of great interest for people who work on imaging living cells because you can achieve a much higher resolution if you have these kind of biomarkers, and we showed that it actually worked. Another area we work on is to convert light so that it could be absorbed by the molecule and then transferred into the nanotube, and there would be infrared light coming out of it. And another direction we now started to work on is to build devices where you can change the electric current flowing through a tube by using optics. And for that we took the very first steps in showing how to dope carbon nanotubes with our new approach, and we will keep working on that. What I really enjoy about this project, it is one of my two favorite projects that I have right now in my group. What I really enjoy about it is that it is a very close collaboration between people in chemistry and people in physics, and we really need to work together, and everybody needs to bring their expertise and their idea onto the table, and we need to understand what the challenges are in the other people's work and in our work, and to combine it to make this project work. And that has worked out very well, and I hope it will work out in the future as well.
Terrific. Thank you very much. That was